Have you ever wondered why, when you're searching for products on Amazon, you get similar product recommendations? Or when you're surfing some movie on Netflix, you get similar movies as recommendations? Simply put, this is the process of data science. The process of collecting, cleaning, organizing, and then analyzing data to derive meaningful business insights and then helping build businesses. You see these things every day in your life. Data science is there everywhere. Data science today is not just the most sought after, but it's also one of the highest paid in the industry. If you're willing to learn data science as a beginner, then this video is for you. Let me give you a proper roadmap of how you can learn data science without any prior experience. Step 1. Basic mathematics and statistics. Just like a biryani is incomplete without elaichi, data science is also incomplete without mathematics. In order for you to become a successful data scientist, you'll need to have a very strong mathematical foundation that includes concepts of probability theory, statistics, and calculus. Step 2. Programming languages. Now that you have a strong grip over mathematical concepts, you will need programming that will help you sort through the data. Two most famous programming languages used in data science are R and Python. R is a programming language that is used widely for statistical computing and has also been used for the development of statistical software and used widely in data analysis. On the other hand, Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language that has been used in many applications and fields, from simple programming to even quantum computing. NumPy is one of the most popular packages in Python that is used in data science. Step 3. Data visualization. Now that you've collected, sorted, and analyzed data, how do organizations make sense of this data? Turns out, data visualization is the answer. Have you seen pie charts, bar graphs that help explain data more coherently? The idea of data visualization is to make clear sense of the data and then help explain this challenging data to others. There are many popular tools that can be used for data visualization. Some of them include Power BI, Tableau. Step 4. Communication skills. Imagine in a professional setting, someone comes out to you, reaches out to you and asks you to explain your data. It's not just about visualization, it's also about how you communicate this data. The art of storytelling through data is one of the most critical for your success as a professional and as an employee. Because at the end of the day, making sense of the data and communicating it effectively is what a data scientist does. If you are a beginner, it is very critical and important for you to have remarkable projects that will help you showcase your skills to the world and help you yourself understand where you can improve. You can participate in multiple competitions, Kaggle contests, solve real-world data science-related hackathons, and solve challenges for real companies. So, this is the best followed path for you to achieve a mastery in data science that very few people in the industry already have. And therefore, if you want a much more clear roadmap and guidance to achieving this dream of data science of yours, then check the first link in the description below. Subscribe to Newton School for more such engaging and refreshing content, and click on the bell icon to stay updated.